Milburn Deli.
I wanted it actually on the sandwich.
Got this Sloppy Joe sandwich right there. What's going on, family? It's your man, Matt DV. We are in New Jersey. We're in Millburn, man. We're on Milburn Avenue and Main Street. And the reason I'm here is because subscriber My Holy King said come here to Milburn Deli and check out their sandwiches. So I already know what I'm going to get, man. I'm going up in here to get a Sloppy Joe. Let's go in here and check out the sandwiches at Milburn Deli. Let's check it out, Joe. How you doing? That I know of. You guys got something called a Sloppy Joe, right? Is that your famous sandwich, the Sloppy Joe?
Yeah.
Let's get that, man. Let's do turkey.
I don't know if you... What's that?
All right, y'all, got my bag. I'm gonna go out here and eat it. I'm gonna go out and eat it, man. They got seating next door, right? But it's music playing in there. Let's go check it out anyway. Don't seem like the music is actually too bad. To a lot of y'all, Sloppy Joe brings up a certain type of sandwich in your mind. This is not that sandwich. This is a Jersey Sloppy Joe, right? Packaging is nice. This came to, I think it was 16 bucks. We'll put the price up here, okay? I forget exactly what it was, including the tip. But here you go, man. Woo, he got a lot of sauce on that sandwich, man. Look at that sandwich. It has a one slice of the pickle on it. I thought the pickle was gonna be a little longer. To hold this, man, look. All right, got that done. Here we go, man. Got this Sloppy Joe sandwich right there. Right, it's turkey. The traditional is ham. But that was interesting, right? Ham at a deli. Interesting, right? Do they normally sell ham at the delis? Y'all see that? I always gotta tap the screen, man, so y'all can see that. And I got my pickle. One little piece of... Okay, it is sour. It just look like them sweet pickles, but it tastes good, man. The pickle's good. Let's go for it. This is really good. That sauce is good on it. That dressing, it's like a Thousand Island dressing sauce with that coleslaw on there and that turkey on this raw bread. And I got my seltzer water. I'm not gonna rush through this sandwich. I'm gonna take my time and eat it. This is a really good Sloppy Joe sandwich. Got that turkey, coleslaw, Thousand Island special Milburn Deli sauce. Very filling. This is half of the sandwich I showed you guys. Oh, actually, he cut the sandwich in threes. Hold on, what kind of cheese was it? Hold on. What's the cheese with the holes in it? Swiss. Swiss cheese. Tastes like Swiss cheese. I notice sometimes when I'm doing these reviews, I rush eating. Shouldn't be eating too fast, rushing, you know? I think every episode I'm gonna mention that I'm not eating any sugar. Somebody was like, yo man, but what I eat? They said that bread is sugar. Sugar. Sugar that's like you get a soda with all of that sugar. Taking sugar and putting it in scoops of stuff, scoops of sugar into your coffee. Sugar, candy, cake, pies. I know pasta. I know bread, but come on, we'll do that later. You do that. You go ahead and don't be telling me how to fast. Thank you very much, y'all. I'm gonna get busy again. So once again, right? He cut this in 3s. I'm gonna get the next smaller piece from it. I've never seen a sandwich cut into 3s. Look at this. I want to take a look at the cheese on this one. Yeah, that's that Swiss cheese. See the holes? See the holes in that Swiss cheese? I used to call it mouse cheese. I think because all the cartoons when we were younger, this was the only type of cheese the mouse would get. The one with the holes in it, that's that Swiss cheese, y'all. The coleslaw adds that little sweet taste to it. And then the Swiss cheese adds that wild, cheesy taste to it. And that turkey is delicious and the bread is fresh. I'm gonna save this other one until later. The edges of this bread is really good. Look at those edges. See how they really got a good hard bite to them? But they're thin, they're easy to get through, even though it's a little hard. I wish I would have got more pickles. I wish I had gotten more pickles. I'm gonna go ahead and give the sandwich an 8.5. But for the pickle, man, if they would have gave me more, I'd have gave them more. I'm gonna give them a 1. Say, let me stop. I want more pickles, man. It's a good pickle. I want at least a whole quarter of a pickle. I could have purchased more, but the place is beautiful, man. The customer service I received is great. But the pickle, man, give a brother some more pickles. All right, I'm back. I was going to save all of this, but I'm going to finish this piece. Need more pickles. Badland Chugs, I love you, brother. I bet you can't chug several of these, man. He probably can, though. Look, you probably can. This is really strong, but I've seen you chug some strong sodas. So I ain't challenge you at all, brother. Hey, y'all, let's hook up with Badland Chugs. I'm going to give him a call, man. Maybe we'll do a collab with him. I'm going to just stand by and hold his gear. That brother's huge, man. Mad respect to Badland Chugs. This your man, Matt DV. If nobody told you they love you today, you are hanging with the wrong people. I love you, cats. Thanks for liking, subscribing. Thanks for becoming a patron at patreon.com/Matt DV Williams. Thanks for everyone that joined. I appreciate you guys. I'll see you at the next one. Peace. Ooh, it's colder than a motor scooter out here. Oh, that's ice. There's ice all on that water, man. Milburn has a lot of good-looking stores. I mean, I haven't eaten at them. But they got a place called Sunny Scrambled. Anybody ever been there? You got Vinny's Brick Oven Pan Pizza. And you got Miss Lin Chinese Cuisine. Alongside here, y'all. The river's flowing here, but once it get down there and the water's kind of static, it's frozen, man. Oh, there's another deli over there. Thanks again, man, for my holy king who suggested this. They got a spot here called Basilico. Yo, Jersey, we have a lot of restaurants in Jersey. I just gotta go be nosy at this spot across the street. Check it out. Anybody know? Anybody know about Goldberg's Deli? It's kind of big in here too, man. Hey, oh, they do have coffee. Cool, that's what I want, coffee. I didn't know you guys were here. I just came from that other deli across the street. And I'm gonna have to come back and try y'all's. Y'all got Sloppy Joes here too? Oh yeah?